Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your name invisible in Piggy Intercity in Roblox. Let's start. So I found in Piggy Intercity this in the carnival. So I copied the letters on the note and I put it into the base 64 decoder. Then I copied the symbol and I went straight to Piggy Intercity. As you can see, I tested it and it actually works. Go to a new slot and paste it where you would put your name at. Then this should appear. Then this should appear. Then this should appear. You can't see your name, but you did it. Thanks for watching.